Now let's understand what string args means. So inside of the main method, if I say south and then say arrays dot to string and then pass args. So here, let me also say south and then inside program was given, and then here I'm going to say if and then args dot length. So if this is bigger than 0, I'm going to basically print out the arguments. Otherwise, I'm going to say south was given, and then let's just have a space here, and then here I'm going to say 0 arguments, and let's just put number here instead. And here I'm going to say south the following arguments. All right, now for you to understand what this is, let's together open up the terminal, and in here you've seen this before. So how do we compile with Java C? So let me just say cd into src and then Java C. So we want to compile. So so if I press tab, com/amigos code main.java. So this now gives us, so if I type ls com amigos code and then have a look, we have the class that we can run. So now let's just say, and by the way, if you're on Windows, just type dir and then the name of the package. So here, have a look. So this is com.amigos code, and this is just what I'm saying, right? So com/amigos code. And remember, the packages internally is just folders. So now inside of src, let's run the program. So I'm going to say Java and then com dot. So here I can give the fully qualified name, which includes the package. So com dot amigos code dot and then main. If I run this, have a look. Program was given 0 arguments. Now, what this means is that I can pass any arguments into this program. So here I can say argument 1 will be hello, and then argument 2 will be ciao, for example. If I run this, have a look. The program was given the following arguments, hello and then ciao. So this is what this, so this is what this string args is. So if I go back, have a look. So when I run this, press up arrow. So these have to be separated by space, and then they'll be translated into a string array. So here, this is what has been put into this right here. And then we have access to it. So here, if I say, for example, 1 and then 3.0, so at this point, all of these will be strings. So if you want to convert these into a number or a double, you can do so. But all I want you to do is to basically teach you about this public static void main, because some people find it confusing, but hopefully now you know what all of this means. Another thing is, you saw that we ran the application through the terminal, but we can also pass the arguments through IntelliJ. So here, navigate to edit configurations. So have a look. We have main, and I don't need this apple nor foo. So we have main, and inside, have a look, we have program arguments. So I can even expand in here, and I can say foo, bar, hello, and 1, for example. So make sure you have a new line. Apply, and you can see it gives us spaces. Okay. If I run this, have a look. Foo, bar, hello, and then 1. So this is how you can pass program arguments from within IntelliJ. So obviously I don't need this. So all I'm going to do in here is I'm going to basically remove everything, and I'm just teaching you how to use program arguments, and now you have a full understanding of this main method, which is the main entry point for your application. And with it, you can pass arguments, and you know why it needs to be public static void, as well as the name main. If you have any questions, drop me a message Otherwise, catch me on the next one.